Hey guys, welcome back to another Clean Phone video. In today's video, we're talking about Boost Mobile and how they just released this cool unlimited data for $25 a month. Of course, there's an asterisk for there with the data part because it's not truly unlimited, but they have to basically tell you this. So it says get unlimited data for $25 a month. Of course, there are some requirements. We're going to go over this. And this is a data plan only, or data only plan, should I say. But they say data plan only. So this will work on hotspots and a tablet. So we know like Cricket does this, and I believe Metro does this, but I definitely know that Cricket, which is basically AT&T, they do these plans for hotspots and tablets. So a lot of people want, around this time to have limited data, especially if they're traveling on either a tablet or a hotspot. I personally have unlimited data on my iPad just because I use it for work and stuff. But it says so free SIM kit, which is a $10 value. You also get free 2-day shipping, another $10 value. So you're saving $20, or you're getting $20 worth of value for free. Of course, you have to put your zip code and email and check if it's available in your area. It says, of course, after your first month, you will pay $25 a month unless you go online and cancel. So it's $25 a month. If not, it's going to be, I believe, $35 a month if you don't do the auto pay, or if you don't cancel this basically trial. Says by continuing, you agree to our terms and privacy policy, excludes taxes, new customers only. So this is for new customers only, which is, I mean, if you're already a current customer, just go ahead and get a new line. For the data only, online only, of course. So you cannot go to a store. It looks like you cannot go to a brick and mortar local store. You have to go and do this online, which maybe if you go to the store, they'll tell you, hey, do this online, or sometimes they don't even know about this. So it says auto pay is required. So you do have to do auto pay with a card on file so they can take it out every month. If not, you won't get the discount. It says bring your own phone or purchase a new phone at full MSRP. For iPhone, requires iOS 15.2 or higher. 5G service requires compatible device. 5G is not available everywhere. So let's look at this. Of course, deal, like I said, it's unlimited data. We'll get into that point. Of course, SIM kit, free 2-day shipping, and works on most unlocked hotspots and tablet devices. It says check availability now. So if you have AT&T coverage in your area, you should be able to get this. It says after your first month, of course, same thing. This is stuff we just talked about, but it's $25 a month, which is not bad at all. So, of course, why would you choose Boost? It's unlimited talk and text. That is true. No contracts, great plans for any budget, free shipping, and America's largest 5G network. Of course, you'll get, there's 2 steps. How this works is you'll get your free SIM card, order now and get unlimited data every month for only $25 a month. Free your smartphone. It says insert your Boost Mobile SIM card into any GSM unlocked Android or iPhone, of course, with them being AT&T and also some still use the T-Mobile network. Any GSM unlocked phone would work, or iPhone. So, and you get excellent high-speed data at low prices. Of course, you can earn everything. Let's get into the asterisks of everything that you should basically know. I believe they have it, down there, but sometimes they have it on the bottom. So I guess it's way down here. So it says for one line, $25 per month, bring your own device or purchase a new at full MSRP. Auto pay enrollment required. So you do have to have your auto pay to get this plan. Select plan only. Plan available only on certain networks. Unlimited data, talk and text, plus 30 gigs of 5G/4G data. So there it is. There's the asterisk right there. So where it's talking about the limited data, you're really only getting 30 gigs, which is what Dish Network, which owns Boost Mobile, refers as to unlimited data. For new customers only, port in or non-port in. So you don't have to port in your number. You could port in your number if you wanted to, but you don't have to. I don't know why you would on a tablet or a hotspot. Taxes and fees are extra. However, some customers who activate service in store may receive Boost tax inclusive plans depending on where you live. Customer responsible for monthly payment and its add-ons. Customers who do not enroll in auto pay will get it for $35 a month. So you're saving $10 a month, guys, by doing the auto pay. Includes 50 domestic voice roaming minutes, international service extra, data terms. Customers who use more than 30 gigs of data during a billing cycle, which is a month, On a line will have speed reduced. Data speed is 5G. Service requires a 5G compatible device. 5G is not available everywhere. You can bring your own device or bring a BYOP available and select devices for activation on Boost Mobile Network. So not all the devices will be available, but most of them will be. And of course, network experience may vary depending on service / features. So really, it's basically saying, service might not be available everywhere, guys. Just, depends on where you're at. Which is the main things of this. So of course, they will keep your number for 60 days without you making payments. After that, they can you can lose your number. It says prohibited network use rules or other restrictions apply. See boostmobile.com or stores for details. And of course, there's the 2023 Dish Wireless LLC. So basically, it's not bad at all for $25 a month with autopay. Remember, if not, it's $35. You get limited talk, text, and data, and you also get 30 gigs of data, high-speed data. After that, it basically slows down. So 30 gigs, I believe, is not, to be fair, it's not that much for it being a data-only plan. I would see 50 or plus gigs would be useful, but 30 gigs, if you're using an iPad or a tablet or anything like that for data consumption, multimedia or anything like that, video streaming services, you're probably going to go through it quite fast. Now, if you have Wi-Fi in your area with a tablet, you'll be fine. Hotspot, definitely you would blow through that pretty quick if that's going to be your main source of data. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare sign off. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Is this something that it would interest you or not? But it's pretty cool that they do give you this option now if you just need the data. So not bad at all. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. If you want to support the channel, check out the description below for different links that you can support the channel. Thank you so much.